Good evening, everybody. Welcome to OpenBOM Workspace Manager running inside of SolidWorks. This is in the February 2025 release, and I'm excited to bring it to you. I'm Steve Hess, VP of Product at OpenBOM. So first thing we'll notice, we now have another flyout here inside of SolidWorks that will run Workspace Manager. This is the same desktop style Workspace Manager that you're familiar with, but we're bringing it into the context of SolidWorks. A couple of things to notice right away. Since we're running in context, we understand, hey, there's a couple of files in my CAD system, my CAD structure here that are not in Workspace Manager. These might be toolbox parts or other things. It's always good to know. There is a control for that I want to point out in the settings that will allow you to control whether or not we show those to you. So I have it turned off right now, but you can tell OpenBOM to ignore those. Okay, so next, if I want to synchronize my design, I'll go ahead and dismiss that message, and I'll see right away that I've got at least one file in here somewhere. There we go. There's a file in here that the local file is newer, just like Desktop Smart Sync. I'm going to go ahead and sync that right from here. And we'll see that after we synchronize, we do a little upload maintenance, create the versions. As you know how OpenBOM design automatically creates versions, and get a report. I can be taken right to my cloud design if I wish to do so. So anyway, that is OpenBOM Workspace Manager running inside of SolidWorks. It's in the February 2025 release. As a matter of fact, I believe it was released this morning. Enjoy. I'd love to hear from you at support@openbom.com.